चितिला पिल्ली आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पे नजर आएंगे। अरुण जी हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून, थैंक यू सो मच
गुड
जुड़ने के लिए।
आफ्टरनून।
अच्छा, रिजल्ट स्क्रीन पे एक बार रखिए डॉक्टर साहब। साल दर साल Q4 में आय 1% के आसपास बढ़ी, पर इबिटा 16% गिरा और मार्जिन ऑलमोस्ट 600-700 बेसिस पॉइंट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर गए। अरुण जी, ये सीजनली वीक क्वार्टर है, ये तो ठीक है, पर हम तो सीजनली वीक को सीजनली वीक से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं। उसको देखते हुए म्यूटेड सा, ठंडा सा परफॉर्मेंस लग रहा है। फुटफॉल
यस।
इंडिविजुअल सब मैं देख रहा था, थीम पार्क्स में रिड्यूस ही हुए हैं इस क्वार्टर में। क्या गड़बड़ा रहा है?
Thanks for having me on the show. But if you compare to the previous year, the same quarter,
हाँ,
uh, the main difference is that we had some, loss of group footfalls in this quarter. I think it's mostly because of the, last year there was a lot of exuberance post COVID, and there was no big exam seasons. Whereas this year Q4 is a big exam season, and I think a lot of the exams got preponed because of the election. So that all these things will affect our group footfalls. So I think group footfalls took a big hit. Actually, our Bangalore and Kochi Park, we saw almost 25 to 30% dip in group footfall. We kind of made it up with retail footfall to an extent. So that's why we saw a small dip in footfall. The reason why our EBITDA has fallen a little bit is because we have added about 100 people into our workforce. Some CXO level people, some middle management. So a lot of hiring has happened because we are gearing up to launch our new park in Bhubaneswar. I'm actually speaking from Bhubaneswar. So because of that, I think there is some change in terms of EBITDA, but nothing alarming. It's just because of our expansion plans.
रीजंस एक हो सकता है एग्जामिनेशंस प्रीपोन हुए, उसके चलते ग्रुप फुटफॉल्स गिरे। दूसरी तरफ
Mhm.
ओपेक्स बढ़ गया क्योंकि एक नया थीम पार्क खुलने जा रहा है जहां आप बैठे हो भुवनेश्वर में। ये भुवनेश्वर का लॉन्च डेट क्या रखी है सर आपने? कब तक खुलने की तैयारी हो रही है?
So the soft launch for this park will be next week. From 24th onwards, the park will be open to public. The official launch will be done sometime in June.
एवरेज रेवेन्यूज, किस तरह के फुटफॉल्स आप लोग गैस एस्टिमेट करके ले रहे हो, बैक ऑफ द एनवेलप कैलकुलेशन करके रख रहे हो?
So because we are not getting the full summer for this Bhubaneswar park, we have missed almost 2 months already. We are expecting roughly about 4 lakh visitors in this financial year for Bhubaneswar. It's a launch year, right? So we are not exactly sure how it will be, but I think about 4 lakhs is the rough estimate we have.
अच्छा अरुण जी, थोड़ा सा अगर फ्यूचर की बात की जाए या फिर FY25 की बात की जाए, आपके नॉन टिकट रेवेन्यूज़ उसको ड्राइव करने के लिए आपने कहा है कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करेंगे जो आपके रिजॉर्ट्स बिजनेस है उसमें। इस पे आपकी कुछ टिप्पणी, कितने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इस साल के लिए रखी गई हैं और कोई प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो कि आपने लोकेट की हों दिल्ली NCR के आसपास या फिर पंजाब में, और इस पे कुछ मतलब FY25 में जो नॉन टिकट रेवेन्यू कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा?
The non-ticket revenue will be an area of focus for us this financial year. Last year also, our non-ticket revenue has shown year-on-year growth of roughly 35%. So this year we are expecting another 20% revenue growth from non-ticket revenue. But at the overall level, we are expecting only a marginal growth in footfalls in our existing parks because they are already tenured parks, and they're all, most of them are more than 15 years old. We are not expecting huge footfall growth there. The growth in footfalls will come mostly from our new project in Bhubaneswar this year, and next year, of course, Chennai also will come into play. So I think every year we're expecting that a new park will add some footfalls and revenue growth. Non-ticket revenue will continue to be a focus area. Meanwhile, we are also looking at doing projects in other states. We are in talks with various state governments. We hope to resume some of those talks and conclude them post the election season.
अच्छा, ये जो रिजॉर्ट्स बिजनेस होता है अरुण जी, इसमें मार्जिन्स बेटर हैं क्या? इसमें मार्जिन्स की ट्रैजेक्टरी क्या होती है अब तक के आपके एक्सपीरियंस से, और क्या ये ओवर द ईयर बढ़े ही है?
So margins in the resort business is not as high as the amusement park business. I think it's roughly a 25 to 30% margin, which is decent, and we are seeing slightly better performance from the resort this year. but we are handicapped by the fact that we are only having 85 rooms. We are slowly adding another 40 rooms to the resort this financial year. So I think our inventory will improve. And also we are also looking at MICE and events being a big driver for growth in this financial year onwards. We are also revamping our sales and marketing efforts for the resort. So I think we should see better performance from the resort in this financial year.
अच्छा, आपने कहा अरुण की बहुत सारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से एक्टिवली डिस्कशंस चल रहे हैं। मुझे याद पड़ता है वो एमपी में, पंजाब में, यूपी में, इन सब को लेकर चर्चा आ रही थी। कहाँ तक पहुंची? ये एमपी वाले पूछ रहे थे भोपाल के आसपास आ रहा है क्या पार्क?
We are looking at doing a park outside Indore, in between Indore and Bhopal. Yeah.
ठीक।
And yeah.
नहीं,
So that is.
अरुण जी,
हाँ।
अरुण जी, कोई और नहीं
Yes.
जो ये पूछ रहे हैं सवाल वही है भोपाल के, कोई और नहीं।
Okay.
That's why he's asking.
अच्छा, अरुण जी, ये अगले हफ्ते भुवनेश्वर का सॉफ्ट लॉन्च, समर्स लार्जली मिस कर गया आपने कहा, तो ब्रेक इवन कब तक एंटिसिपेट कर रहे हो? कितने वो टाइमलाइंस पोस्टपोन हो गए अब?
See, Bhubaneswar is an asset-light model for us. We have roughly invested about 190 crores there, compared that to about 510 crores, which we will need for a big park like Chennai. So it's all less than half the cost for us. So I think break-even will be faster. Even ARPUs will be lower compared to tier 1 cities, but I think it's still, I think demand will be strong. We are already sold out for the opening weekend. So I think the demand looks like it will be strong for us, and I think EBITDA level break even will happen in the first year itself.
एमपी आओ आप, एमपी में भी हम लोग ऐसी डिमांड अच्छी रखेंगे। जाते जाते मेरी तरफ से आखिरी सवाल, Q4 में रीजंस थे शायद जिसके चलते फुटफॉल्स रिड्यूस हुए। अगर वो Q1 में तस्वीर इंप्रूव हो रही है तो कुछ हद तक आइडिया लग गया होगा, क्योंकि हम मई 18 में खड़े हैं, ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 महीने से ज्यादा हो गया इस क्वार्टर के। कुछ ईयर ऑन ईयर फुटफॉल्स में इंप्रूवमेंट आया है इस क्वार्टर में या अभी फीका ही लग रहा है?
See, as of now, the footfalls are not showing much growth. A couple of reasons. One is heat wave in Bangalore was very bad, as you all know. So that had some impact in our footfalls in especially Bangalore and Hyderabad. Hyderabad lesser extent because they are used to the heat. In Bangalore, people are not used to big heat, so I think that had some impact. But having said that, now the weather has improved and now we are seeing some growth in May. So there was some dip in April, but growth in May. So I think overall we are at the same kind of level. Some growth we can expect maybe towards the end of the month and June, if weather is also is conducive to this. Overall, the trend is good. ARPUs also are growing, not as high as last year, because we already seen a big ARPU growth in our parks last Q1. So this year we are looking at about 8 to 10% ARPU growth as well.
ओके अरुण जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप इस डिस्कशन में शामिल हुए अगले क्वार्टर्स को लेकर और इस पास्ट क्वार्टर को लेकर अपनी टिप्पणियां करी आपने। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर, हैव अ नाइस वीकेंड सर। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने के लिए। 22504